Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acrolect. 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 Acrolect is a term used in sociolinguistics to refer to the highest or most prestigious form of a language or dialect within a particular speech community. It is often associated with formal, educated, or standard language usage and is typically contrasted with basilect and mesolect, which represent less prestigious or vernacular forms of the language. Here are some examples. Example number 1. News anchors and reporters employ the acrolect of their language to convey information to a wide audience. Why acrolect is used in example number 1. Acrolect signifies the use of standard language in news broadcasting. Example number 2. Formal education institutions promote the use of the acrolect to prepare students for academic and professional success. Why acrolect is used in example number 2. Acrolect highlights the role of standard language in education. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.